Well, the Texans, as you mentioned, have not been added to that lawsuit just yet. But based off of statements and comments from Tony Buzbee, the attorney for those 24 women who alleged sexual misconduct against Watson, the Texans, who call NRG Stadium home, could be added very, very soon. The accusations keep piling up. 2 more accusers came forward this week, and now the Houston Texans are expected to be co-defendants in those lawsuits. KPRC 2 legal analyst Brian Weiss broke down what that means for the Texans franchise.
This is a situation where, regardless of whether or not the Texans win, there's another expression in the criminal justice system the Texans are about to learn about on the civil side. You can beat the rap, but you can't beat the ride.
The victim's attorney, Tony Buzbee's decision to add the Texans comes a few months after a grand jury decided not to indict the former Texans QB on any criminal charges of sexual assault or harassment. It also comes just days after a New York Times report.
If you don't tell your story, somebody else will tell it for you. Right now, Tony Buzbee is telling his story.
The Times reporting that Watson booked appointments with 66 different women in a 17-month span. The article also says that the Texans provided Watson their venue for some of his massage appointments. The report goes on to say a security official with the Texans provided Watson with a non-disclosure agreement form to give to the massage therapist.
I think that the Texans' response is easily stated. Of course, we wanted to keep Deshaun Watson healthy and happy. But at the end of the day, we had no way of knowing that a kid who was a success story from the time he was old enough to throw a spiral would ultimately find himself on the wrong end of over 24 lawsuits.
In a statement, Buzbee said, quote, "What has become clear is that the Houston Texans organization and their contracting massage therapy company facilitated Deshaun Watson's conduct. In many of these cases, the Texans provided the opportunity for this conduct to occur." And we have reached out to the Texans organization about this possible lawsuit, but have not heard back from them as of news time tonight. We're live at NRG Stadium. Bill Barajas, KPRC 2 News.
All right, Bill, thank you.